This video goes over how to add new users to your GA4 account. What you want to do first is go to analytics.google.com. Make sure you're in your admin page, which you can find by going to the bottom left tool icon. Click on Account Access Management. Here you can add new users. You would click the plus icon in the top right corner. Add users. Here you will enter their email address. Make sure it is a Google email address. Underneath that, you can select what role you'd like them to have, depending on how much control you want them to have of your account. Each option gives you a description of what they are, and you can also restrict if you want them to see your revenue or your cost metrics. After you do that, you click Add in the top right corner, and they will be added to the account after they accept the invite in their email. If you would like to edit the role or restrictions that your user has, you find them in the list and click on them and select a different role that you want them to have, and then click Save at the top right corner. The creator of the GA4 account is automatically an administrator and has full control of your account. If you want to add someone only at your property level, you can go to Property Access Management here and follow the same steps.